Father Returning Home. This poem is written by the Chitre, and this is an autobiographical. Means the poet is telling on his father's story here in this poem. So in this poem, he had told about his father that he is working whole day, but his father is not appreciated by anyone, or is not like that anybody is waiting for him at home, or giving him tea or any other else. So nobody is there to care of his father. So poet is telling about that in this poem. And so his father is traveling by the train, evening train, and that is that the commuters. It's about the silent commuters. Silent commuters म्हणजे daily traveling peoples. And this train is like a dull, because every day every person is traveling by that route. So anybody is not going to see around that what is the side part, or what are the countries going around the train. So next here is told that here in this poem there is a monsoon season. So the poet's father has shirt and pants soggy. Soggy means wet. His whole dressing had been soggy, and he has a raincoat also. And then here had told that his raincoat had been stoned by the mud and here next that poet is telling about his father that he has a big bag of books, by which the books are falling down from the bag, but the poet is not seeing near the bag that books are falling down, because he is very sad and thinking of that about his family. Then the poet told here that when he want to return home, there is not anyone others to wait on him on railway station, and so he should come alone with this humid monsoon night. Means daily he has that work to go to work, do their work, and return back at night. And here the next is that like a word drops from a long sentence. This is an important line of this poem, that if we take a common sentence, in that we should take that unimportant word, if we take from that sentence, then like that only the poet compares itself that his father is also an unimportant person returning back to home from that train, and he is coming by that train at loneliness. Then next he is that because of this also the monsoon rain is there, and that's also not heavy, so that because of that the railway station also has become grey, and then due to facing these problems also he is doing worry to go to his home. But let's see what happens next, that anybody is caring himself or not at his home. So what happened, his chapels are also had become sticky. Then he went at home, and there what he drinks a big tea and eating a steel chapati. You can see by these lines that there is not anyone other to care of himself. He had children, but they also didn't care for him. They are so ugly, and they are so means they didn't care. Means the poet is telling about his father, means the poet also thinks about his father like that. He didn't share anything with his father, and he didn't talk, or he didn't share anything, or like us, that means I also at least share my everything with my father every day. But here is the different thing, that poet's father is thinking that because of this man-made technology, all are going away from humans only. So this technology is none of use. Then next the poet had told about that when after this everything, when he returns home and he was having drinking big tea and eating stale chapati. After that, then he goes in the toilet to think deep inside what is happening with him, and how his children are looking at him. Then after there was nothing else to do for him. Then he went to bed, means he went to sleep, and then every day his was routine was to listen static on the radio. Static means I have told that he is of listening one thing repeated and repeated. Then dreaming of his ancestor and grandchildren, and also he was dreaming about his ancestors and grandchildren, and also about nomads. And nomads means that peoples who didn't live in a permanent place, they shift from one place to another. Thank you.
Very good.